Last year, I started a YouTube channel in my spare time, spending only a couple hours a week. I was working on it late hours of the night, and I started without knowing anything. I used OBS Studios as a free screen recorder to start screen recording videos about free AI tools and how to use them. But it wasn't that easy right off the bat. I first started by finding freelancers on Fiverr to make my videos for me because I was influenced by channels like Dave Nick or Passive Income Strategies to make videos on the how to make money online niche, since according to them it had such a high CPM that would be easy money. But the only problem is that I didn't have a big budget to spend on these videos. I only saved up about $200 to spend on videos before I started my channel. So I know I needed to find someone to make videos within my budget because I knew it would take a good amount of videos before I met the threshold to get my channel monetized on YouTube. And what I didn't realize is how many videos it would actually take and how few views I would get in the beginning. I found someone that would make the videos, thumbnails, and upload the videos with SEO for $30 a video. Add on the fees from Fiverr and I was paying about $35 a video. But quickly I blew that budget without seeing really any success at all, and the best performing video probably got around 200 views. So it was time for me to take a look at my channel and just reevaluate what I was doing and come to the realization that all that money was probably wasted and basically just put down the drain. I realized that maybe those dreams that the other channels were selling, they really weren't that easy to obtain. Making videos on the make money online niche wasn't such a good idea after all. Who knew you actually had to make money online first before you can teach others how to do it? What a novel idea that is. I guess those guys like Dave Nick and Passive Income Strategies didn't really account for that, or maybe they did and they just enjoy how much money they make from selling everyone else these false hopes and dreams. I decided to switch up my strategy and start making videos on free AI tools. And my idea was, since there was so many new AI tools coming out every day and a lot of them were actually free but relatively unknown if you weren't really actively researching them on Google, so my idea was that I could get a lot of views by helping people find these tools. That's when I started making these top 7 free AI tool videos, and I was using the odd number 7 because it seemed like it had some sort of psychological effect on people and made them more intrigued. So since I was only covering free AI tools, I figured that's a way to cast a wide net and attract a bigger audience. And seeing as how there was no barrier to entry to using these AI tools, everyone and anyone watching would be able to use them. I also started making my own thumbnails and realizing that less is more. Basically, my videos went from garbage to value by providing viewers with some real valuable information for free. And my thought process turned out to be right, and my top 7 videos started getting me real views. Then if you fast forward about 6 months, my channel got monetized and made $5,000 just last month with only 6,000 subscribers. So if you're wondering how, a lot of that money was not from AdSense. Some of the money was from AdSense, but the majority of that money is from brand deals, sponsorships, and also affiliate marketing. And when I learned how to incorporate high-paying keywords into my titles, phrases like voice clone and text-to-speech, a lot of these new AI companies would come and reach out to me looking for promotions for their tools, which ended up being really lucrative for me. And it's a growing trend where companies have found that micro-influencers are more cost-effective for their advertising, which means that we have the chance as small YouTube creators to capitalize on that, even if you only have a little amount of subscribers. So even though I started out paying people on Fiverr to make me videos, it wasn't actually until I started doing the work myself and making the videos myself without spending any money, just investing my time, that's when I actually started making money online from my YouTube channel. So if you want to see the step-by-step process how you can do this too, make sure you subscribe, and in the next video I'll show you how you can start a profitable channel for free using only OBS Studio screen recorder and just spending a couple hours a night in your spare time working on your channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.